Dealing with centipede bites, a natural approach.
Hello. Today we'll be talking about a topic you might find quite helpful if you're in a pinch: dealing with a centipede bite using natural remedies. While it's always essential to seek professional medical advice for any bite or sting, there are some immediate steps and natural solutions that can help alleviate the pain and swelling caused by a centipede bite.
What happens when a centipede bites?
When a centipede bites, it injects venom into the skin, which can cause a range of symptoms including pain, swelling, redness, and itching. Reactions can vary based on individual sensitivity and the type of centipede involved.
Immediate actions to take.
The first step after a centipede bite is to clean the area with warm soapy water. This can help reduce the risk of secondary infection. Then, apply a cold pack to the area to numb the pain and reduce swelling. It's important to remember that these steps are to help manage immediate discomfort and are not substitutes for medical treatment.
Natural remedies for centipede bites.
Several natural remedies may help alleviate the symptoms of a centipede bite. 1. Plantain leaves. Often used in folk medicine, plantain leaves can be chewed into a pulp and applied to the bite area. This may help reduce inflammation and pain. 2. Aloe vera. Known for its soothing properties, aloe vera gel applied directly to the bite can also help reduce pain and swelling. 3. Lavender essential oil. Dilute lavender oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil and apply to the bite. Lavender has natural anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that can help relieve pain and inflammation. 4. Turmeric and honey paste. A paste made from turmeric and honey can be applied to the bite area. Turmeric has potent anti-inflammatory properties, while honey is a natural antibacterial agent. Remember, it's essential to test these remedies on a small skin area first to ensure there's no allergic reaction. While these natural remedies may help with the symptoms of a centipede bite, they should never replace professional medical attention. If symptoms persist, worsen, or if there are signs of an allergic reaction like difficulty breathing, seek medical help immediately. We hope you find this information helpful, and remember, it's always better to prevent a bite by taking precautions when you're in areas where centipedes are common. Stay safe out there.